The plant pictured here is a species of Dahlia, commonly known as the Dahlia. You can see they were a little bit slacking on creativity for common names for our geophytes. Dahlias can get 1 to 5 feet tall or even taller. They tend to be a pretty erect growing perennial. Here you can see a singular one in a pot. The leaves are pinnately compound. They have an opposite leaf arrangement, and they can be green or sort of a reddish purple coloration. In fact, there are some cultivars of Dahlia available that have almost black purple leaves. Now, you'll notice that these pinnately compound leaves have lobed leaflets, whereas in the previous picture the leaflets were unlobed but did have teeth. And here's yet another type of Dahlia leaf. This one isn't even compound, it's just a large leaf with large teeth. This type of leaf is actually more often found in the upper portion of the stem, and then the pinnately compound leaves down near the base. So there is a lot of variation in the leaves, but you will consistently find some pinnately compound leaves somewhere on the plant, usually near the base, opposite leaf arrangement, and then either large teeth or lobes. Dahlias are in the aster family, so they do have composite heads. Here you can see the orangish colored disc flowers in the center and the pink ray flowers on the outside. This is another example of a genus with many cultivars and species available, so there's a lot of variation in the appearance of these composite heads. One thing that's pretty uniform though is that there's a whorl of involucre bracts below the composite head, and they are reflexed back along the axis of the stem. So I know this isn't the clearest picture ever. This is one I took back in the days of film cameras, but there are those reflexed involucre of bracts. So that's something that can help you identify this plant, and especially in differentiating it from other aster family plants. So, can you see the reflexed involucre bracts in this picture? There it is. So again, many cultivars and species of Dahlia. Some of the composite heads are pretty much all ray flowers, as shown here. Some of them have sort of curled ray flowers and almost a globular look to them. And then there's just this. I don't even know how to describe this to you. So a lot of variety in dahlias, and they come in just about any color that you could look for. This one looks almost like a pincushion. There's just a lot of diversity in these composite heads for Dahlia. Now, Dahlia is a tuberous root, which is the only tuberous root that we're covering in this section, and this is what they look like. You can actually break each of those tuberous roots off and grow a new plant from them. So with that, we conclude our discussion of the Dahlia.